Durham, England. Imagine walking through a city where centuries of history are captured in its magnificent architecture. That's Durham for you. This English gem might not be as famous as Oxford or Cambridge, but its architectural beauty rivals them both. Durham's crown jewel is undoubtedly its Norman Cathedral, one of the best preserved examples of Romanesque architecture in Europe. As you step inside, you're immediately struck by the sheer scale and grandeur of its design, an awe-inspiring space that's as much about the atmosphere as it is about the history. But Durham doesn't stop at its cathedral. The city is dotted with medieval buildings, from the towering Durham Castle to the historic cloisters and bridges that line the River Wear. It's a city that feels timeless, yet still alive with the energy of students and locals. The best part? Durham is still fairly under the radar compared to its more well-known counterparts, which means you can experience all this history and beauty without the throngs of tourists. Whether you're admiring the views from the cathedral's hilltop or strolling through the quaint streets below, Durham has a way of making you feel like you've discovered something truly special. Ever been to a city where you feel like history is still alive? Let me know your favorite historical spots in the comments.